Good morning, students. In this way, I completed four chapters from Flamingo, and in this video, we will study about the question answer. How you can write the answers of all these questions. I will provide only clue to write the questions. First, okay. The first of all, let me read first question. Why was the crofter happy when the peddler knocked on his door? The First of all, this one is these questions are only for short type questions. So you need to answer of all these questions within 30 words. So first of all, let me read first question. Why was the crofter happy when the peddler knocked on his door? So when you study this story, you found that there was a crofter. He was living aside the road, and he had no family. It means he was familyless. He had no family, and he was alone. He was living alone in his hut. And but one day, near about afternoon time, he found a stranger came to the hut, and he knocked the door. And when the crafter was an old man. When the crafter opened the door, he found the peddler, he found the vagabond, he found the tramp, and you can say rat trap person. He became very happy. Why he became very happy? Because he was living alone life. He was living solitary life. So he was very bored to live being alone. But as soon as he found a company, he become very happy. Only this one is the reason why he was very happy when he found the peddler. Okay, I hope this one is the answer of this question. I hope you got this, na? Let me read question number second. How was the crafter generous with his confidences when he spoke to the peddler? So first of all, we need to understand the meaning of this question. Generous माने उदार, kind, with his confidences माने आत्मविश्वास के साथ उदारता. So in this question we find when crofter found a strange person, he became very happy. So he did not give him only shelter, but he also gave him porridge. He gave him tobacco, and with him he playing card. And after this one, in this way, he was very generous. He was very kind to the stranger. And at the last time, he also told him about his own life biography. He told him that earlier he was working in the iron factory, but now he was jobless. But for surviving his life, he he had a cow, and by selling the cow's milk, he this one the milk of the cow that was very creamy. So by selling the cow's milk, he earned near about three kroners. So in this way, he it means crafter told him about his own in this way crafter told him about everything. So in this way, you can say he trusted. It means crafter trusted the stranger or peddler. In this way, this one is the answer of the second question. So now let me read question number third. What did the peddler to do keep his body and soul together? Body and soul together, you can say body. And soul, it means first of all we need to understand what is the meaning of body and soul. What's relationship between body and soul. Man, sometime we do the work, na, by our physical work. Man, sometime we do the work, but sometimes we find that our mind does not give me permission. It does not permit me to do that thing, na. So you can say my heart is saying something, na. My heart is saying something, don't do such type of work. In this way, here we find such type of relationship between body and soul. So in this way, so first of all, what did the peddler do to keep his body and soul together? First, we know in this story that peddler was a jobless person. He had no job. He he was selling he was selling the rat trap made by his own hands, and but by selling the rat trap he could not earn too much money. So for surviving himself, he also stole, you can say steal ka second form of steal. He also stole na, something from others. Yeah, he worked the petty theory work, theory work. He worked, you can say, theory work. In this way, for this thing, he is stealing and he is selling. By both works, he could survive himself. In this question, writer asks you only this thing: how he survives, na? Although he was jobless person. How he survived although he was jobless person. So you could write in these questions: for surviving, he first of all he was selling the rat trap, and second, this was his primary work, and the secondary work of his, that was the work of theory. Okay, theory, thieves, you all know. Let me read question number 4. Why did the peddler derive pleasure? Pleasure, derive means वंचित होना. Pleasure from his idea of the word as a rat trap. Why did the peddler derived pleasure from his idea of the word as a rat trap? So in this story, we find a peddler, the peddler accepted. Yeah, the peddler accepted the whole word was like a rat trap, and all the material, all the physical things of the world were like bats means chara, bats, and to find that bats, each and every one of this world na, could try to go to could try to run behind these material things. In this way, he was comparing na, he was comparing the word with his with his rat trap na. In this way, he was very happy, and he accepted that each and every one of the person was not happy, because each and every one was running behind all the materials things. So in this way, you can answer these questions in you can answer these questions. After this one, uh, in this way, this one is over. Let me read question number 5. Why did Idla plead with her father not to send the vagabond away? So in this story, we find Idla Williamson was the daughter of Iron Master. When Iron Master invited by mistake the guest, he came here. He came to his house, but in the light of the house, Iron Master recognized that he was a fake person. He was not his acquaintance. So he decided to make him out of his house. But during that time, but while he was making the stranger out of his house, he she requested his father not to do, because they invited him, and she requested him that let him celebrate this Christmas you with us. For this, father postponed his order. Okay, in this way you can answer. This one is the short type questions. You can write the questions, yeah, the answer of all these questions. So let me read first of a first question. The peddler thinks that the whole world is rat trap. The whole world is rat trap. This view of life is true only of himself and of no one else in the story. In this story, in this this one is the statement that is extracted from the story, and here you need to opine your thought. Yeah, you need to certify yourself with the examples of the story, in this way, The peddler. What is the answer of this question? You can write this questions. The answer of this question like this way. The peddler had naturally been thinking of his rat traps when he was struck by the idea that the whole world was nothing but a big rat trap. It only existed to set bats, B-A-T-S, bats means Shara, up, bats for people. When someone let himself be tempted to touch the bat, it closed on him, and then everything came to an end. But this view of life is true only of the peddler himself and of no one else in the story. The three 10 kroner notes of the old crafter provide a bait for the peddler, and after he steals the money, he gets lost in the big and confusing forest. Then he recalls his thoughts about the world and the rat trap and knew his turn had come. He had let himself be tempted by a bat and had been caught in the rat trap. He realized the forest had closed upon him like an impenetrable prison from which he thought he could never escape. The theme of the story, the rat trap, is the most human beings are prone to fall into the trap of material benefit. However, love and understanding can transform transform a person and bring out his essential human goodness. So even though the old crafter was kind and hospitable to him, he betrayed his trust and stole 30 kroners from him. He was not impressed by the Iron Master's invitation also, but Idla Williamson's compassion brought out a transformation in his nature. Human qualities helped in raising him to be a gentleman. In this way, in this answer, you can first of all focus on uh, three or four parts. First, you need to focus on the peddler. There was no one except peddler. Mean, there was no other character who was stuck in the rat trap. And second one, you can decide about the crafter. I mean, you can write something about the crafter, and after then you can write something about the Idila Evil Minson and Iron Master. In this way, you can answer these questions. So let me read question number second. The peddler believed that the whole world is a rat trap. How did he himself get in the same? This one is the philosophy. Yeah, you can say this one is the philosophical statement. Yeah, philosophical question that is asked here from you. The first, in the starting time when we study, when we study this chapter, we find that the peddler himself describes that the whole world is like a rat trap, and all the materials, physical things of this world are like the beds of rat trap. As in rat trap, when as in a rat trap came, and it is tempted with the a piece of bread, and as soon as he enters, the door of the rat trap is closed. In this way, the rat is caught. Here we can attach your answer with the examples of the story. So when the peddler was wandering from one place to another, ultimately he found a place. There he found shelter and food also, but at the last time he was tempted by the money, by the kroner of that crafter, and in this way you can say he was also caught into the rat trap because he was tempted to find the money. When he stole the money, it means tempted. So this one, how did he himself get caught in the same? So only you need to describe here the story the story between crafter and rat trap. Sorry, crafter and peddler. What a peddler did, na? What peddler did with a crafter, and how at the last he realized that he was himself caught, na, in the rat trap of the word, due to be tempted by the kroner, by the money. But at the last time he returned and he realized what he did that was wrong. So in this way you can answer, and you can answer while you write while you are making the transformation of sentences, it automatically will be very large answer. So, okay, I stop here. Only I am providing you all clue how you can write answer of the questions. This one is the third question. The people we meet in life leave an impression on us. How is the rat peddler affected by the meeting the crofter and idla? So in this way, here, first of all, first question, this one, the people we meet in life leave an impression on अस. इट मीन्स हम जैसे लोगों से मिलते हैं उनका एक प्रभाव हमारे ऊपर पड़ जाता है. इन दिस line, with the help of this sentence, we find as we meet, when which type of person we meet, the impression of that person automatically comes on us. Here we find it's right. इट्स राइट थिंग, मैंने कहते हैं ना जैसे लोग मन जैसे संगत, यू कैन से हाँ, sorry, I don't want to remind that statement. I can't remind a couplet of Hindi, so I leave here. हाँ, तो here we find there are two characters in this story, especially Cropton and Idla. First of all, when rat trap comes, na, when rat trap peddler, na, comes to the crafter, he is hosted there warmly. He is hosted there warmly, and he finds each and everything, food and shelter. Even then he betrays him. But during this time, he does not, he means peddler does not realize what he is going to do, that is good, that is fair or bad. But he does the work to he does the work of stealing, and he steals the money from the peddler, sorry, from the crofter. And when he is invited by Idla, he realizes here that what he did at the last time at the last person, that was totally wrong. So he writes a letter to Idla, and he describes each and every event, in the letter to the Idla. And in this way he accepts that in this way we find, if we find a good person can improve us, a good person can improve us. And if we are living with bad person can defile us. So bad person can defile our mind, bad person can defile our character, behavior, each and everything. So we always we need to be always careful while we are going to choose our friend, because friend can make you or friend can spoil. So it's very great work in personal life while we are going to choose our friend, he is good or bad for us. In this way I stops here. This one is the clue how, with the help of all these clues, you can write the answer of these questions. I hope you are completing your copy. It's very good thing if you are complete your copy, if you are completing your copy, because I am doing my best, and I am also working hard to make video. Actually for last 3 or 4 days, I I have not been I did not I did not record any video due to fault or damage of my lapis. But now it is working properly, so I am slowly recording the video, and I hope you are also utilizing all these things what I am providing you all. I hope. Okay, I stop here. In this way I completed 4 chapters from Flamingo. Now I starts from Vistaz. But when physical class will start, during that time I can teach you all grammar or writing and writing portion of this paper until we need to wait till that time. Okay, I stop here. Okay, thanks.